Sir, with the permission of all, we'll be starting the webinar, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm starting. The webinar has started.
Sir, many of them not were able to join the webinar, sir. They're trying from my side, many of the students are trying to join, but they were unable to join it seems.
Madam, it has started, so they are joining in. I can see the participant number going higher.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Madam, we can start now, madam.
Yes.
Shall I start, sir?
Yeah, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. We from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, in association with Coimbatore, the Institution of Engineers, India, Coimbatore Local Center, organized this technical webinar titled AI-powered chatbots, changing and impacting mass customization. Here we have two panelists, Dr. M. Satya and Dr. T. Bennett. I welcome you both. Welcome, ma'am, and welcome, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
It's my privilege to introduce our panelists. Now I introduce Dr. M. Satya, who's graduated with Bachelor's of Engineering degree from Computer Science and Engineering from Syed Engineering College in 2006, and she obtained MTech with a specialization of Information Technology from Anna University, Coimbatore in the year 2009. And she received her doctoral degree in the field of Information and Communication Engineering from Anna University in the year 2019. She has solid 14 years of teaching experience and research experience. She held various positions in premier institutions and currently playing the role of Vice Principal and Head of the Department of Information Technology at Nada Saraswati College of Engineering and Technology. In her credits, she contributed with more than 30 publications in international journals, national journals, and conferences. She has 10 patent publications in the field of IoT and cloud computing. She also received the Best Women Faculty Award in the academic year 2021 from Novel Research Academy, Puducherry, India. She also published 4 books. She is also an active organizing committee member and reviewer for few of the journals. She acted as the convener and delivered guest lectures in FDPs, webinars, seminars, and workshops. She is currently Vice Principal and HOD of IT, Nada Saraswati College of Engineering and Technology. Now I hand over the session to you, ma'am.
Madam, sorry for the disturbance, sir.
Okay, sir.
From our side,
Okay.
it is my duty to invite the participants, to invite the guest speakers to this program formally. Let me say good afternoon to all of you gathered here for this technical webinar on AI-powered chatbots, changing and impacting mass customization, being organized by the Institution of Engineers Coimbatore Local Center under the aegis of Computer Engineering Division Board of the Institution of Engineers India in association with Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. It is my privilege to propose a welcome note in this online gathering. On behalf of IEA Coimbatore Local Center, I would like to welcome Mr. Amit Kumar Das, Chairman, Computer Engineering Division Board, and the members of the Board, Computer Engineering Division Board for the webinar. I sincerely welcome the panelist of this webinar, Dr. M. Satya from Nada Saraswati College of Engineering and Technology, Theni, and Dr. T. Binel from Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai, who are going to deliver their talk on the given theme. I extremely welcome Dr. R. Meghala, Professor and Head, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, the moderator of this webinar. At this junction, I must express my gratitude to the principal and management of Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology for their unwavering support and collaboration with IIA Coimbatore Local Center in organizing different events under the banner of IEI. I would like to welcome Mr. Sudeep Chakravarti, Deputy Director Technical, and Mr. Ayan Deb, Executive Technical, Mr. P.A. Edwin Fernando, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, the Institute IEI Coordinator of Akshaya College, Dr. G. Madan Mohan, our Honorary Secretary of Coimbatore Local Center, whose efforts have been instrumental in organizing this IEA technical webinar. I welcome IEA council members, IEA Coimbatore Local Center committee members, corporate members of IEA, faculty members, and students from Akshaya College as well as from other institutions. I'm sure that the participants will gain valuable insight into how AI-driven chatbots enhance the personalized customer experiences and also to explore the strategic applications of customization in various fields. I hope IA is not new to the participants of this program. However, if anyone is interested in getting information about IEI membership application, IEI sponsorship for the technical activities, IEM membership benefits, IEM UG, PG, and PhD project funding, please feel free to contact us. On behalf of IEI Coimbatore Local Center, I welcome you one and all for this program. Thank you very much. Madam, Satya Madam, please continue. Thank you.
Definitely, sir.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
for your wonderful things. Thank you. I'll share the screen, sir.
Yes, please.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, visible. You can go ahead.
Yes, madam.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. This is Dr. M. Satya, Vice Principal and Head, Nada Saraswati College of Engineering and Technology, Theni District. And our topic today is AI power chatbots changing and impacting mass customization. First of all, we have to know about what is AI powered chatbots. We all know about chatbots. What is chatbots? We are going to communicate with the users are going to communicate with the chatbots, and it will give some answers to the users. This is the main concept. This is just a conversational agents using artificial intelligence. Here we are using artificial intelligence to interact with users. This is just a conversational agents. Nowadays, what and all it is going to do for the customers. That is the thing that we are going to discuss in this full session. Here, they have evolved from some simple rule-based systems to sophisticated tools capable of natural language understanding. Here, what are all the tools that we are going to use to train this chatbots? This is the concept we are going to see in this particular session. Okay. Here, first of all, we have to know about what is AI-powered chatbot, how it is going to changing and impacting mass customization. Before this, we have to know about what is mass customization in the business. Nowadays, mass customization is very important for the business. It's just a business strategy that combines the flexibility and personalization of custom-made products. What is it? In each and everything, let us take a pizza shop. Okay, in this pizza shop, what you are going to do is, if you are going to order a pizza, we want a customized pizza. For this, what and all the questions that we have to ask to the customers, and how can we get the particular concept. This is the main concept in this mass customization. This is a very important business strategy in nowadays in the business. Okay, it enables companies to cater to individual customer preferences while maintaining the cost effectiveness of producing large volumes. We are producing large and large number of products, but this products must be customized by the particular user. For that, we have to get some information from the customers. For this, we are in need of some in the previous days, in the traditional models and all, we have some customer care to ask them what are all the details and all needed. And nowadays, we are having these chatbots to get information from the customers. This is the main concept. This in this mass customization, how these chatbots are going to influence. This is the concept that we are going to discuss. Okay, this approach has become increasingly feasible with advancements in technologies, automation, and data analytics. Here, we are going to get the data from the users, and we are going to process the data, and these chatbots are going to answer for this customers. Okay, here how this chatbots are going to make connection with this mass customization. Here, these chatbots are instrumental in making mass customization both practical and scalable across industries. In all the industries nowadays, they are changing their thing to chatbots to get information from the customer. It just bridge the gap between customers as well as the business. We if the users want something from the business, if they want a particular customized product, they can give some informations to the uh, business, that people itself, by using this chatbots, and they can get a customized products from that particular company. Okay, and then what are all the key technologies behind these chatbots? We are having chatbots in everywhere, we are having some chatbots. Okay, what are all the key technologies behind these chatbots? We have to know. The main three technologies behind these chatbots are natural language processing, NLP. We all know about this natural language processing. If we are comes under this computer science, IT, and AIDS department, we all know about this natural language processing. What is natural language processing? We are going to process the languages. How we are going to process these languages? Or first thing is, we are going to tokenization. We are doing some tokenization. What is this tokenization? There are so many sentences there. In that, it will get a particular words. In each and every words are separated, and they are tokenized, and they are processed. Okay, and then another thing is named entity recognition and sentimental analysis. If a people, if a customer, if a consumer is going to communicate with the chatbot, what and all it will do is, it first tokenize, and then name entity recognition it will do, NER it will do, and then sentimental analysis, how the customer is there, whether he is in a good mood, or he's not in a good mood. Just like that, it will analyze using this sentimental analysis. Okay, in this, chatbots can process and respond to user inputs accurately. For this, we are using this natural language processing. And then the second thing what we are using to improve this chatbots are machine learning process. By this machine, if the chatbots are not at all updating using this machine learning, it's not learning, then it is outdated chatbots. For that, what we are using is, we are using some machine learning process. Okay, for this, what we are doing is, we are making the chatbots to learn as supervised learning as well as a reinforcement learning. What is the supervised learning? We are giving the data, already trained data, and we are training the model. As well as reinforcement learning, we are not giving any information. By the queries it get by itself, it will learn by itself. This is reinforcement learning. The two type of learning, by using this machine learning, we are making the chatbots to learn something. Okay, and then the third one is deep learning. What is this deep learning? Deep learning is the deep subset of ML's subset is deep learning. What it will do is, it, by using this deep learning concept, the complex task like speech recognition, language modeling, and all, we can add in this chatbots. Okay, this make their responses more useful for that. And then some speech recognition and synthesis further enhance chatbots capabilities by enabling voice interactions and all. It's useful. Because of this deep learning, we can make the chatbot a speech by recognizing the speech recognition as well as language modeling also. And by using the cloud computing, it provides the necessary infrastructure to scale chatbots applications efficiently. Okay, this is the main concepts, key technologies which are comes behind the chatbot. Chatbot is there, we are communicating with the chatbot to get information. But what are all the key technologies are behind the chatbots? Are natural language processing, machine learning, deep learning, cloud computing. These are all the behind key technologies in this chatbots. These are all the main concepts in this chatbots. Okay, and then next thing is, this is the named entity recognition. In the previous slide, I show you that what is name entity recognition. Here, this is the name entity recognition. It in by using this natural language processing, this name entity recognition is important to segregate what are all the data that we are processing. Okay, this is the concept in natural language processing. Okay, here there are so many types of chatbots are there. Here what are all the chatbots are present, AI powered chatbots are present are, the first one is rule based chatbots. These are all categorized by using some diversities. Okay, here rule based chatbot is the first type of chatbots. What it will do is it operates using some predefined rules and scripts. Okay, it has some set of rules and scripts by themselves, and it will answer for that questions. Okay, it provide response based on specific keywords or commands. If I ask to the chatbot that what's your name, and according to that keyword name, it will answer for that question. Okay, what and name, by using the what and name keyword, it will answer for that question. Okay, here what is the thing is, in this use case, basic customer support chatbots are comes under this rule based chatbots. Okay, for example, FAQs, this some frequently asked questions only it will answer. Some frequently asked questions, if the chatbot is related to some healthcare, it will answer for the particular frequently asked questions only. Okay, this is a type of AI powered chatbot. First type, a rule based chatbot. This is a basic thing. Okay, and then second one is machine learning chatbots. What this machine learning chatbot will do, it's an improved chatbot. Okay, over that's rule based chatbot. By analyzing past interactions, what the customer interact with that particular chatbot in the past incidents and all, it will get, and by using this natural language processing to understand context and intent, what is that context and what is the intent of that customer to process with that chatbot. These are all the things comes under this machine learning chatbots. Here the use cases are some advanced customer service or product recommendations are comes under this type of chatbots. Okay, chatbots. And then here contextual chatbots. What is meant by this contextual chatbots are, these are all some leveraging data from past conversations. What is our past conversation? We may chat with that chatbot in the previous so many times. Let us take some Amazon. We are purchasing so and so many things in Amazon. Okay, we may have some conversation with that particular chatbot for some reason. Okay, it may just have all those conversation by with itself, and afterwards it answer for that particular conversation. And user behaviors also it will analyze to personalize interactions. Okay, use AI models and databases for context aware responses. For context aware responses, it will just go through that AI models as well as the databases also. In databases we may have so many data related to the previous conversations and all. I just go through that, and afterwards it will answer for that particular questions. Okay, here personalized shopping assistants or health bots. In Amazon, you may know that Rufus is a airport chatbots. It may answer for you. You may interact with that Rufus in the Amazon platform. Okay, and then voice enabled chatbots. What is voice enabled chatbots? Here the chatbot is enabled with some voice recognition techniques and all. Okay, integrate speech recognition as well as NLP to communicate through voice. There is no need for us to type something in a system or something. Okay, we can speak something to it, according to that it will respond to us. Okay, here a hands-free experience for users. Because of this voice enabled chatbots, the customers may have some hand-free experience. Okay, virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri are some of the examples of this voice enabled chatbots. Okay, then next, the fifth type of AI powered chatbots is hybrid chatbot. What is this hybrid chatbot? First thing, that rule based chatbot is combined with AI powered capabilities is known as hybrid chatbot. What it will do is it will do some transition to human agents for complex queries while handling routine tasks autonomously. What it will do is autonomously it will answer for that routine task, whatever the routine task we are doing and we are asking questions and all, it will autonomously answer for that particular user. Okay, this is the concept. This is the types of AI powered chatbots. These are all some 5 types of AI powered chatbots are there. Okay, and AI chatbots in customization, how we are going to use this AI powered chatbots in this customization, what are all the benefits are there for the business. Nowadays business is the important thing in this world. So what we have to do is we have to improve the business. For that, we are using this chatbots to get benefits for the business. What are all the benefits we are going to see here is the efficiency get increased, and then real time responses we are getting real time. If the Amazon in the previous days and all, if we want to communicate with that customer care, we have to call them and we'll get some responses. You just press 1, press 2, press 3 and all we'll get. Nowadays, by using these chatbots, we can just type what is the question and we can get a response immediately. It's according to the real time responses we are getting, and cost effectiveness. Because of this, there is no need for us to having some human in that particular business. They handle multiple interactions simultaneously. So many customers can communicate in a particular time, and then 24/7 this chatbots will work. There is no need for us to keep one person and day shift, night shift and all. There is no need. And then using AI and NLP, chatbots tailor responses and recommend products or services based on individual preferences. What the individual is preferring, what the exact thing want from the customer will be find out by this chatbot. And due to this, the industries like e-commerce, banking, healthcare and all get benefit. Okay, and their ability to automate and personalize interactions ensures seamless customer focused services at scale. In everywhere customers are focused because of this chatbots. Okay, and then real world examples. What are the real world examples nowadays we are having in this chatbots? Industries such as e-commerce. In Amazon we are having this Rufus chatbot to just talk with us. That conversation we are making conversation with this, and we are getting real time solutions for the particular issues. Okay, and then travel and healthcare, in everywhere we are using chatbots nowadays. Okay, and then e-commerce website we are using chatbots. And travel and all, it is helping the customer to book tickets and then suggest itineraries and provide real-time updates on travel schedules. And healthcare, in healthcare it helps in everywhere it assists in scheduling appointments, offering health tips and providing medication reminders. You have to do this medication at this time and all. It will help the patients to do everything. Okay, and these are all some of the real time example for this healthcare. And then roles of NLP in understanding customer needs. Where this NLP is in this particular chatbot, we'll just see here. What this NLP is going to do is it just interpret and responds to customers input. What it will do is it just analyzing the text, whatever the customer is speaking, that and all it will analyze. It identifies what is that context, what is the particular context he is going to deliver, and what is that intent of that particular people, and what is that sentimental analysis, what that person is in that in what case he is, and then ensuring precise and relevant responses. It will give some relevant responses by offering personalized recommendations in everywhere. And multilingual also it is nowadays supporting. Each and everywhere there are so many languages are there in this world. So what it is doing is, the chatbot is doing is, it is just multilingual in one, whatever the language that we are asking, it's give response to us. Okay, and then real time insights. And then NLP enhances customer experiences, foster engagements, and drives loyalty through tailored human like interactions. These are all some of the role of NLPs in understanding customer needs. Okay, and then what is the impact of NLPs? NLP helps businesses provide human like interactions by accurately understanding customer needs and emotions. What it will do is this creates some trust among the customers that this NLP, this chatbot is giving a correct answer for us. And then the customer experience with personalized response and all we can get using this chatbots because of this NLPs. Because NLPs and all handling this just analyzing the text, speech, what is that intent, what is the context, and what is the particular person's sentiment, everything it's analyzing and giving the answers. Okay, it enables businesses to scale personalized services, improving satisfaction and long term customer retention. These are all the main role of NLP in understanding some customer needs. Okay, and then how this data analytics and chatbots and all going to work together. We'll see. This both are going to work together by finding out what are all the data we are going to process. By leveraging data, chatbots can deliver more personalized and effective responses. Okay, here how data analytics enhances chatbots. Data analytics is going to enhance the chatbots. How it is that we are going to discuss. Personalized interactions. Here we are the chatbots and all going to personalize because of using this data analytics techniques. Okay, and then decision making. Here, chatbots uses data analytics to make informed suggestions, predict customer needs, and streamline decision-making processes. This and all comes under this data analytics. By using this data analytics, we can process these chatbots in more efficient way. Okay, and then customers' insight. Data from chatbots interactions can be analyzed to gain insights into customer sentiments, pain points and trends, helping business refine their strategies. These are all some of the concepts comes under this chatbots by using this data analytics. Okay, and then optimizing performance and all get optimized by using this data analytics. Okay, and then impact on customers experience. How it will impact the customers experience. There are so many customers are there. One of the customer may enter inside the business and that particular day only. Okay, there are so many types of customers are there. Some regular customers are there for a business. There are so many types of customers. For that, each and every customers, this chatbot should be very variety, and it should find out the customer what type of customer he is, and it would answer for that particular customer. Okay, AI chatbots play a crucial role in enhancing customer satisfaction by offering personalized solution and real-time responses. This should give some real-time responses and some personalized solution for that each and every customers. It should identify the customers, categorize the customers. Okay, through advanced natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning algorithms, chatbots understand customer intent. What is the intent of the customer? Why he is approaching us, and preferences and past interactions, allowing them to provide highly relevant and customized recommendations or solution. These are all the main concepts comes under this chatbots to give a real-time responses and personalized solution for each and every customers inside the business. For that chatbots, we are using chatbots. Okay, and then impact on customer experience. How it will impact? That's tailored interactions. It will give some responses to the customers, offering relevant product recommendations and solutions. This is the main concept. And 24/7, this and all already we are discussing the same thing. Okay, efficient issue resolutions. What it will do is it's resolve them or autonomously, and it will give solution to each and everything. And proactive supports uses predictive analytics to let us take Amazon. Okay, in that Amazon we order some item. In that item we'll order some shirt. Okay, let's think we'll order some shirt. In that shirt we just enter the size of the shirt as 32, let's take. Okay, in that 32 it will suggest us what it will suggest is 34 sizes convenient for you according to the previous data. Just like that it will suggest us that is proactive support. Okay, and then consistency across channels. It will give consistency across website wherever it may be. We are promoting business in various sites, websites, social media such as Instagram, Facebook, everywhere we are promoting our sites. Okay, what it will do is it must be consistent in all the platforms. Okay, this is the main concept in this chatbots. Okay, and then by delivering personalized, timely and consistent interactions, AI chatbots improve customer satisfaction, foster loyalty and create a more efficient, seamless customer journeys. Okay, what it will do is the response time get reduces, it automate routine tasks, and it allow human agents to focus on complex issues and making businesses more responsive and customer centric. These are all some of the impacts on customer experience by this chatbots. Okay, and then how this industry adoption rates. Here what we are going to tell is customer expectation, what the customer exactly expect from that business, that we have to identify. For that we have to train all the models, all the datas, previously what is his taste, what color he prefers, what is the size of that particular person's, everything that we have to identify from the previous data analytics, and after that we have to process. Because of this, expect immediate responses and personalized services and all will get from the uh, will get from the chatbots for this customers. This is the main expectation of the customers nowadays. Okay, what the customer will expect is he want quick response, automatically he want quick response at every time. For that, this chatbots will help them. Okay, and then technological advancements. What all the technological advancements are there are natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning. What it will do is it will make the AI power chatbot to understand context, detect sentiments, and engage in more natural conversation. And what and all it will do is this makes them more efficient in handling a wide range of customers inquiries, from basic frequently asked questions, FAQs, to more complex troubleshooting or support. These are all some of the supports that AI chatbots are giving to the industry. So industries are adopting chatbots more when compared to the previous days. Okay, adoption ratio is get increasing, and cost effectiveness. There is no need for us to have so many staffs to answer for these questions. And then scalability and flexibility. If the customers increase from 50 to 500, what it will do is it will automatically work on that. So it's also not a issue by using this chatbots. And improved analytics and insights. What it will do is it analyze to improve customers engagement strategies, how to engage the customers in a particular place, that and all will get from the previous data, and it will work on that. And then refine products offering, enhance the overall customer experience. It enhance the overall customer's experience. This is the main concept. So that nowadays industries and all adopting this chatbots. Okay, and then industry application, where and all we can use e-commerce, banking and finance, healthcare, travel and hospitality. Everywhere nowadays we are using this chatbots. For online shopping we are using chatbots. In this online shopping, chatbots and all, what it will do is it should have some real time experience. What is the it should handle some inquiries, what and all the inquiries, how the customers and all, what is the trend now, everything should be known by this chatbots. Okay, and then banking and finance, what it will do is this chatbot should answer for that account inquiries, balance check, fraud alerts, and everything. Nowadays this banking sector chatbots and all giving along to the customers. Okay, and then in healthcare, appointment scheduling, medical information, symptom checking, everything is done by this chatbots. And travel and hospitality, flight booking, check weather conditions, whether the condition is good or not, weather condition is good or not. Also nowadays the chatbots are checking, and information is given to the customer, so that he can decide whether he can book the ticket or not. Everything he can decide. This and all nowadays a good example for the chatbots. And because of this thing and all, what the industries are doing, or they are adopting more number of chatbots in their site. Okay, and then future outlook. What is the future outlook is the chatbot should be more contest aware in the future, and proactive interactions should be there. Their ability to seamlessly interact with customers and manage tasks across multiple channels will make them a key part of digital transformation strategies. These are all some of the main concepts that chatbot should do. Okay, and it should have some improve customer satisfaction. It should not have any bias in it. It should give the correct loyal answer to the customers. Okay, and positioning AI chatbots as an essential tool for businesses striving to stay competitive in a fast evolving digital. Nowadays it's a digital world, so each and everyone are using some mobile phones or laptops, palm tops, whatever it is. Okay, they want to check everything in the net. So what we have to do is this chatbots and all helping everyone's business to improve their business. Okay, and AI chatbots in e-commerce. In e-commerce, how they are how they are helping the businesses. Actually it's customized product recommendation. This is your product recommendation. If I'm checking for some photo frames, just let us take, we are checking for some photo frames, okay. We It will show us the photo frame related images only for 2-3 days, we all know, okay. And efficiently managing large scale customer interactions. If there are so many numbers of customers are there for a particular product, what it will do is it will do some interactions, okay. And then by leveraging data analytics and machine learning, we are having interact with the chatbots easily, and this enhances the shopping experience. Because of this chatbots nowadays, the shopping experience get improved, and then large customer bases, it will create some large customer bases because of its easy process. So what the customer will do is they'll just buy some products easily by using this chatbots suggestions, okay. And then resolve issues if there is any issues, inquiries related to that particular products, okay, ordered products or anything, it will resolve the issues. If there is any serious issues and all, it will suggest the person to do the what is the requirement that they have to do, okay. And this efficiency reduces wait time, improves the customer satisfaction and all get improves. For this AI chatbot in e-commerce, nowadays e-commerce websites and all using these types of chatbots, okay. And what are all the challenges in chatbots customization? We are going to customize um, the chatbot in our business. What are all the challenges nowadays it will occur that we are going to see is, first thing is understanding customer intent. If the human being is there, it's easy for him to understand what is the feelings and all, okay. But in this case, struggle to accurately interpret the full context of users queries, okay. And sometimes it get ambiguous because of some complex and informal queries. If someone is asking some I'm ambiguous as well as complex queries, means it's very difficult for us. Colloquial language and all, if they used, then it is somewhat difficult for the chatbots to find out, okay. And then variations in phrasing, slang, colloquial expressions and all, it will the chatbot will get confused in sometimes. This is the main challenge in chatbot customization, okay. And then personalization at scale. Here, what is the thing is, what is the preferences, what is the behavior of the customer, what is the previous interactions. Now, one customer may have some preferences in the previous days and all. He want to buy some pen, okay, or some 4 or 5 days later he want to buy some uh, something different, maybe a diary or something, okay, journal or something he want to be. But the chatbots, what it will think is it just send the information related to the pen. So it get confused in that time and all, okay. At that time the customer may get dissatisfaction, okay. And then handling complex queries, how it's going to handle the complex queries, struggle with some multi-step processes or complex queries. If the some customers asking so many questions which and all not related to that particular product, and it gets struggle to understand that particular question. This is the main handling the complex queries is somewhat difficult for this chatbots. So these are all some of the challenges, even though some one or two challenges are there. But these chatbots and all helping the people to work easily and comfortably, okay. And then multi-channel interactions. If each platform has unique requirements and communication methods are there, we are using some websites, social media such as Instagram, Facebook, everything we are using. But while handling the multi-channel interactions, it will get confused. In LinkedIn and all, we'll use some professional works and all. In Facebooks, we can give some personal informations. But this chatbots get confused while using in the multi-channel integrations, okay. And then maintaining contextual understanding. How it will contextual understanding, how it will do is, it just sometimes it will lose track of context in long or multi-turn conversation. Some 10 or 15 days back, once one customer just speak about something, and if it not track that particular conversation, next time also it asks the same questions and all, the user get frustrated. That is the main disadvantage in this channel. It's a big challenge in this. Okay, and then maintaining contextual understanding is somewhat difficult for some chatbots. Okay, and then integration with legacy systems may not integrate easily with modern AI based chatbot platforms. For this we have to work a lot. Okay, these are all some of the challenges in this chatbots customization. And then data privacy and security concern. Let's take some production regularizations like GDPR and all in the country production regularizations. Some in some industries chatbots and all not get secured just like that they are thinking. And for this what we have to do is some robust security protocols and transparent data usage policies and all we have to use to do this chatbot deployment. And then continuous improvement and training. If the chatbots and all not learning day to day life, then it will outdated. Okay, just like human only. If we are not updated, we are outdated. Just like that, the chatbots also the same case. What it will do is, if they are not updated in the day-to-day life, they are not compete with the uh, business. Okay, and then regularly retained using new data. It should retain the new data. Yesterday the trend may be different, the today the trend may be different, so that the chatbots what it will do is it should updated day to day, in day to day life. Okay, and then user experience design. User experience design should be good. If it's a poor UX can lead to frustrated users and abundant interactions. Okay, for that and all we have to have some well structured, easy to navigate and capable of managing interruptions or changing user inputs without confusing the user. These are all some of the challenges of chatbots. Okay, while customizing the chatbots, these are all some of the challenges we are facing and how AI chatbots are evolving. Improving natural language understanding, we can improve the chatbots. We can make the evaluation of this chatbots. What it will do is it just interrupt user queries with greater accuracy. If the user query is there, it should process that query with a greater accuracy and it should answer for that particular query. This includes understanding complex sentences. What is the slang it may be, what is the idioms he is using, what is the context they are conversation, they are doing some conversation. The chatbots should answer for that correct and accurate by using this natural language understanding, and it should use some natural language processing schemes and all. Okay, and then multi-modal capabilities. So many chatbots are if we type something it will answer, but what is the need nowadays is it should process voice, image and video inputs, everything it should process. Okay, by combining various types of data such as text and visual informations and all should it should process. And then chatbots can offer richer, more interactive experience that feel more natural and human life. This and all it should do, otherwise it will not good chatbot. Okay, and efficient, we can tell it as an efficient chatbot. Okay, this capability opens up new possibilities for chatbots such as analyzing pictures for product recommendations or understanding voice commands with higher precision. These and all needed nowadays. This is multi-modal capabilities needed for a AI power chatbot. And contextual awareness is very, very important. This is because if a person is communicating with a person, track past interactions and offer more personalized and relevant responses in the future also. If it is not tracking the previous responses and once again it's asking so many questions, then what the user will get frustrated. This is the main concept. So it should be contextual aware. Okay, and then adaptive learning and personalization. AI power chatbots can adapt to each user's behavior and preferences, what a particular user will prefer and what he's going to do. That and all this chatbot should find out and it should answer for that most customized and accurate recommendations it should give. And it should be give some real-time data. It should allowing chatbots to suggest relevant product services and everything. This is the main concepts. Adaptive learning and personalization is important for this chatbots. And then emotions and sentiment recognition. Handling with the human is very very difficult, that we know what emotion they'll show, that and all. Even human cannot identify, okay, in this chatbot cases and all. This is very very difficult, okay. Advanced AI systems are now capable of recognizing emotional cues in data, text, voice, or even facial expression. We can find this nowadays, the chatbots and all, for by using the facial expression, whether I am sad or happy, it's find out, and according to that it will process, and then it will answer, okay. And then it will process the text, whether the text is whether the mood of the human, what he is, and according to the voice, whether he is happy or sad and all, it is easily find out nowadays by using this natural language processing. And then whether he is in good mood or frustration, chatbots can provide more thoughtful responses, improving customer satisfaction. Because of this, if it give answer just like this, the customer satisfaction will improve, okay. And then multilingual support. Nowadays there are so many languages are there in each and everywhere. Business and all over the world, in everywhere all over the world, they are having the business. Then what they have to do is, they have to have their chatbot as multilingual. This is because multiple languages, each and everyone in the world are using so many languages. That languages and all should process by this chatbots, then it is easy for the customers to interact with them easily, okay. And then ethical AI and bias reduction. What is the thing is, the AI should be that chatbot that we are chatting should be a good one. It's a fair, unbiased. It should not tell some wrong information to related to that product, okay. And it should be ethical in their response. It should not tell lie, okay. That is the very important thing. That is ethical AI and biased reduction. And then automation and efficiency. What it will do is automating complex processes. It's reducing the need for human intervention. This is the main concepts comes under this intervention of this chatbots, okay. And then increasing operational efficiency for businesses. It give some operational efficiency in the businesses, and scheduling, data entry, and customer support, everything can be done using this chatbots. So this chatbots and all, by using this chatbots, we can improve the business, okay. And then just let us take this Netflix. This is the main use case. What is the Netflix doing here? Personalized recommendations. Netflix uses AIs to analyze user behavior. Just who and all using this Netflix, their history and all, preferences and all, it will check, just keep tracking, and it will suggest some videos for that particular users, okay. This is a personalized recommendation. What is the individual's taste, keeping user engaged, how we can engage, just that sentiment analysis, and psychologically it is predicting the user, and it's giving suggestions to the users, okay. And then customer support chatbots. AI powered chatbots handle routine customer queries. What is the account issues, billing, troubleshooting, everything is nowadays handled by this chatbots, okay. And then predictive content creation. How the content creation is possible, what is the trend now, what is the pattern we are using now, that and all. And then dynamic streaming quality. And real time based users internet speed is less, it will help them to just giving the uninterrupted viewing with optimal video quality. It reduces, automatically reduce the video quality, and it will just broadcast the item, okay. And then for fraud prevention, in AI detects unusual login patterns and all there, it just find out whether it is an authorized user or a authorized access or the unauthorized access. Everything is nowadays find out by this chatbots. This is the best example for this. This is the best use case nowadays. It's a Netflix, okay. And then Nike. Let's take Nike. Nike. What they are doing is just personalized shoe design. Yeah, I am a user. I want some particular uh, shoe type, okay. what this Nike is having, they allow us to select the color, what is the material that I'm, whether I want a leather, whether I want a anything, whatever it is, okay, material, whatever the material, and what is the design that I'm in need of, and creating a unique product tailored to individual preferences. If a individual preference is this, and it will give the automatically this is the correct product. We can personalize, we can customize our product by ourselves. This is the main concept used by this in this Nike chatbot. Okay, here for this, what they are doing is they are using their chatbots to find out which is the main concept. Okay, and then interactive shopping experience. By using these chatbots, they are giving some real-time guidance, suggestions. They are showing this is the trend, this type of shoe you can buy, just like that. All the recommendations we are getting in this. The main thing here is customization. Customization is possible in this while using this chatbots. Okay, here Nike foster a deeper connection with customers, encouraging loyalty and repeat purchases. Why this is because of this customization product. Okay, and then streamlined supports. Chatbots handle queries related to the customization process, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience for customers. These are all it's a good branding thing. By using this chatbots, the brand name get famous. Okay, and then next, role in small and medium enterprises. That Netflix as well as the Nike, both are a large scale industry. Let's take the small and medium enterprises. What is the use in this? What's the role of in this small and medium scale enterprises? Or 20, we already seen this 24 bar 7 customer support. This is not possible for every small and medium enterprise. This is because it's not easy for them to appoint staffs to answer for their queries. Okay, here because of this chatbots, they are having a 24 bar 7 customer support and cost effective operations. Because of not appointing a human interventions everyone, there is no need for them to have an office setup. There is no need for them to use electricity, everything that and all main advantage here. And then improved customer engagements. Just what the customer will think is just someone is there to answer for us. If we ask some question, they will answer just like that. They may have some psychological goodness. Okay, and then lead generation and conversations. There are so many in social media visitors and all, real time capturing potential leads by answering their questions. There are so many answers we are getting from these chatbots. If in the purchasing journey and all, day to day life, we are meeting these chatbots and we are getting some replies from these chatbots for our queries. Streamlined processes by if you just keep tracking the order. If I'm going to order one thing from a Amazon or some other website, whatever it is, okay, I'm going to order one website. It just keep track from my searching to my delivery. This and all the streamlining process is possible due to this chatbots. And then scalable support everywhere. If industry is growing from a small scale to medium scale to a large scale, what it will do is it just keep on growing by itself, as well as it grow the business. Okay, this is the main role in small and medium and enterprises. And here, customer centric design, how we are making the design as a customer centric. Here we have seen this personalized interactions, initiative user experiences. It's easy to use. We all know sense of individual attention is there. Everyone is thinking that we are having an individual attention from that business. And empathy and tone, some human like interaction. It is communicating with that particular person just like a human. Okay, and then proactive assistance. If there is any wrong suggestions and all there, it will correct the thing. And then feedback integrations, it get feedback, users feedback, and it just improve the performance of that uh, thing. And then omni channel accessibility, everywhere it is supporting. If there is any inconvenience for the customer, what it will do is it will give support in everywhere, just like in websites and social medias and mobile apps, everywhere it's giving support to that particular customers. And advantages over traditional customization methods. What are all the advantages? Instant personalization, 24 by 7 availability, scalability, cost effectiveness, consistency, speed and efficiency, enhanced engagement. These are all some of the traditional customization methods, advantages over traditional customization methods. Okay, here in environmental impacts, we are using reduced physical infrastructure. There is no need for us to have a good setup for an office and appoint so many people to answer for these queries and all. No need here. This is a reduced physical infrastructure, and energy efficiency also less when compared to lighting, heating, cooling and all. No need here. And lower carbon emission is there. This is because the no need for us to travel from one place to another, traveling to the business everywhere, lowering transportation emission and all get increased. This is the environmental impacts of this chatbots. And then reduced paper usage. There is no need for us to use papers for this chatbots. And encouragement of remote works. Nowadays everyone wants to work from their home. They want to work from home, so it is giving us the support to remote work and all. Is giving support. And lower carbon emission because of office supplies, reducing overheat cost and allowing businesses to allot resources more sustainable. And then these are all some of the chatbots that we are using. You just check here. Writing, for writing we are using chat gpt's Casper, uh, and copy AI. These are all some of the writing chatbots for writing some content. If you want some content to be write somewhere, what we are using, these are all some of the chatbots we can use easily. You all know about this chat gpt. If you want some content, then we can get it from this chat gpt. And for making a video, for making a text into a video, we can use this flicky, super creator, runway. These are all some of the chatbots that we are using to convert our text to video. Okay, and then audio chatbots, crisp, altered. This and all, what it will do is the best AI tool to eliminate background noise during calls. While during the calls and all, it just eliminate the background noises and all. And altered, an AI tool to record and edit your voice recording everywhere. And then voice mode, real time voice changing and custom sound effects for every game and app, and all will do by this audio related chatbots. And then coding chatbots, nowadays codings and all, we can get codings easily from GitHub and in some other Lightning AI. Okay, and productivity, for productivity and all, we are using some AIs, just AIs. Okay, Slide AI, Notion AI, and all we are using here. In this image, we are converting. Bria allows you to generate higher quality image with one click. If we are just clicking in the Bria by using our image, it will just change the lower quality image to higher quality image. These are all some of the chatbots that we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, here what is the conclusion of this AI? Before this, I just want to show you that how we are going to create a chatbot. Okay, in this chatbot, just 1 minute, I'll just switch over to some other screen. 2 minutes. See, 1 minute. Before that, we are going to create chatbot. For that, first of all, what we have to do is you just um, first we have to collect some data. Okay, where we can collect these data and all. Kaggle.com. There are so many websites are there to create collects data. Okay, here where we can collect the data are, you see here, by using this Kaggle.com. You just see, everyone just see here, from this Kaggle.com we can collect the data sets. Okay, just see here. Is it visible, sir?
No, not visible, ma'am.
It's not visible.
No.
1 minute, sir.
You have to share your screen or
1
something.
minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. One minute, sir. I'll show you.
Visible now, ma'am?
Now it is visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaggle. Okay. Here, how we are going to make a chatbot by ourselves. That we are going to see here. Okay. Here, there are so many websites are there. One of the thing is kaggle.com. From here, we can collect some data sets by using, here you just see, here, what related, just we just type COVID-19. Okay. These are all some of the data sets from this COVID-19 case. In whatever the data you want, you can collect from here. You just see, these are all the data. Here, you just see, from this, what we can do is, we can just download the data from here. Okay. See, from here, from this website, we can download the data. You see. And just see. This is COVID-19's data. We can collect from here.
We were unable to realize that data collection, ma'am.
You're not able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, it's showing that. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just. Visible? ಇಲ್ಲ. Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am. I'm just connecting.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Is it visible? Okay. Here,
It's visible now. You can proceed.
here, these are all the data sets. If we want to get these data sets, we have to just the third one is just COVID-19 in India. Okay. We just click here. And from here, you can download. You just check here. Download and all here. Download data set as zip. And we are downloaded the data. Just see here. Just see here. That is it. We are downloading and we are keeping in our place. From there, what we have to do is, first thing is we have to collect the data from any of the websites. Now I'm using kaggle.com, and then what we have to do is we have to process this data. Okay. And for this, just this is the data. Okay. And then you see, we have to process the data. And for this processor, you just check here. Here, what is the thing is, already we are having the image classification to detect sensitive data exposures. Okay. What is the thing is, here, importing libraries and downloading the data set. First thing is, we collected the data, and what we have to do is we have to segment the data. If some hundreds of data are there, it will segment us 10, 10, 10. Okay. And some inside training is we have to do, and then we have to we do some validation. uh, while during this validation, error function, loss function, accuracy we have to check. If accuracy is less, what we have to do is we have to do some more training to the data. Here you see here what we are doing is just importing the libraries and downloading the data sets. Here we import TensorFlow, NumPy, and these are all the thing we import here, and we are working on that. And you see, next thing is this is the front end. What we are going to do is we are going to work on this data pre-processes taking place, and we are going to train the data. You just see here in this is the sample data. This is for some other reason. Detect sensitive data disclosure. What and all the data we have to show them. What and all the data we have to hide is the main concept in this concept. Okay. Here you just see this is the sample data. What we are using here is test data sets. If you are testing the data, some 250 data, some data sets are considered as a validation data set. Okay. Here you see these are all some of the data we get. What and all the sensitive data and what and all the data that we should not show to the customers or anyone. Okay. You see this visa cards and all we should not show to everyone, and the data such as cakes and all we can show to the people. Okay. And then this is the model that we are going to train, and we are using this TensorFlow library, and inside this TensorFlow Keras packages and all there. Here max pooling, convex 2D, flatten, dense and all some functions we are using to activation functions and all. Just see here, and then now we just check the data. Okay. Here we are using epoch. Epoch is the thing. How many times we are going to see and check the data. Okay. If it is more time, the data get trained more. If the data and all more, if we use this epoch so many times, it will be a disadvantage. So according to the number of data sets, we have to fix the epoch. Okay. Here you see. Here we are using the epoch command to check how many times we are
How
checking
much time do you
the data.
need more, madam? One more panelist is waiting.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That's all, sir. Last function. This is the thing. By using this, we can last function and error function and all. We are plot this accuracy. What is the accuracy? And then we have to give some confusion matrix in the last to that chatbot. We have to give some confusion matrix. If you will give some confused statements to find out whether the chatbot is answering correct or not. Okay, this is the thing, sir. That's all. This is the concept behind this. By using this, we can create some chatbot by our own. Okay, and then okay, sir. This is the conclusion. Slide is there. Conclusion slide is there, sir.
Yes, it's there.
Okay, sir. Now AI chatbots are transforming the landscape of mass customization by enabling business to provide highly personalized experience at scale. Nowadays, we are using this customization for mass customization. We are using these type of AI-powered chatbots to make the customers' experience good. Okay, this is the main concept behind this chatbots. And this automation allows businesses to handle a large volume of customized requests without compromising quality or efficiency. This is the main concept comes under this chatbots. We can create our chatbots by our own. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Satya, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Benil.
Yes, madam. Madam, am I audible?
Yes,
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 sir.
you are audible.
Sir, shall I give an introduction about you for a second?
Yes, please.
Okay. Madam?
Sir, once again, sir.
Yes. Okay, I will introduce myself, madam.
Please, sir.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. Actually, I would like to thank all the participants as well as IEI chairman sir and the team members and everyone. One more thanks goes to Akshaya College of Engineering Management and the principal and the chairman and everyone. Actually, my name is Benil. I am working as an assistant professor, Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai campus. So I have 13 years of teaching experience and I'm in senior grade, assistant professor senior grade. And regarding me, I have more than 10 publication in SEA journal. Still, we are doing a lot of research in machine learning and AI/ML technology. Okay, I think this introduction is enough for me, I think. Okay, so sir, can I start, sir?
Thank you, sir. You can proceed.
Okay. Madam, everything is audible, right? Everything is okay, right?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Fine, okay. And I would like to say one more thanks to Dr. Satya Madam because she elaborated everything as well as the real time, demo also she elaborated. Okay. So this is the second session. Actually, AI powered chatbot changing and impact mass customization. First of all, I would like to ask the questions to the audience. Actually, it's not able to interact, but anyway. So we have to understand the chatbot is not new. It's like, we are thinking that it is a new technology or new things because it is just evolved recently. But we are thinking that maybe we know that, but anyway, we want to know the chatbot is not new. Actually, it was developed in the mid of 1960 itself. The first chatbot named Eliza. So probably we may study this in our artificial intelligence subjects. Okay, so we know about the evaluation of AI technology, and then Turing session, Turing theory, and everything we know. So a chatbot is evolved based on this only. So we want to understand it is not a new. It is developed during 1960s. And when we talk about this ELISA, actually this is developed for the healthcare areas, like doctors, they are going to give some suggestion and ask them questions through this ELISA. This is a basic small chatbot. And one more thing, clarification we have to understand what is bot and what is chatbot. Actually, we are more or less it is same, but what we can understand in this, actually bot is means that it is a software program. A chatbot is also a software program, and bot is a software program that automates the task itself. Okay, but chatbot, we will give some instruction to the bot, and it based on the instruction, it will reply. So what we can understand here is bot is like it will do some automation task. A chatbot, we will give some questions or some instructions. Either it is in a text format or it may be in a audio or even video also. We can give this prompt to the bot and it will give the answer. So this is what we can understand bot and chatbot. I will give one example. Google Bot. We understand Google Bot and Google Assistant. We know that. So Google Bot, what we can do, it is developed only to manage the Google things like indexing, doing some indexing and arrangement. These things. Similarly, Twitter bots is there, crypto trading bots are there. So these are some bots which will do automation for the company purpose. When we take about chatbot, like chat gpt, we are very familiar in this chat gpt. I'm very sure everyone we are aware about this chat gpt. So this chat gpt, we are prompting some questions to the model, and that model is giving the accurate answer.
So this is like text conversation. We are aware about Siri and Google Assistant and Alexa. So when we talk about Siri, normally, this is an Apple product. Actually, this is a voice enabled chatbot, right? So I have some interesting experience in this. I used to use Google Assistant normally. So what I will do normally when I was in home, I try to use Google Assistant like OK Google. We are aware about that. So every time when what I want, for example, recent cyclone also, I used I take my mobile and I ask like okay Google, and immediately one response comes. I'm here. What I want to assess, something like that. So it is a the voice is like a female voice. Normally, I used to use this, and one day my wife came and she told me like, "What is this?" And I explained everything. And very familiarly, I'm using. One day she is telling like, "Okay, so you are spending time with this that OK Google or something like this is just for fun." So what I'm coming to say here is, it is very accurate nowadays. Google Assistant, Alexa, Siri, and everything is very accurate nowadays. These bots are very accurate. In iPhone 16, I think we can assure like 100%, whatever the question, whatever the voice, whatever the things we are asking, it is giving the exact answer. Like Google also know the recent updations, like whatever the climate today and what will happen tomorrow, everything, it won't predict tomorrow, but it will model is predicting and it is going to give like if tomorrow cyclone comes, we can ask, it will predict some model based on the previous thing and it will give. So these things are the chat part. What we can understand is like we are giving some input to the model and it is giving the answer. So it may be voice or it is text. And in a textbook definition by uh, Adar Amir Shavar, a chatbot is a computer program designed to interact yeah, using NLP and text-based or voice-based conversation. We are using a chatbot. This is like a text definition, textbook definition. Normally, we are giving input and we are getting it. So we know already, Madam explained in the previous session. Actually, very past few years only it is evolving, and it is 24 into 7 available. Customer service also, very good in all the companies and everything. So actually, we want to understand the three types of chatbots. Madam just covered everything, I think, in the previous session, but I just giving with some example. Let's take first one is rule-based chatbots, and sometimes we can call the menu buttons chatbot also. What is rule-based chatbot? I just give an example, and I'm moving ahead because already Madam covered this topic. Let's say in every what is that phone like mobile network, if you want to talk to the customer care, the first we are interacting with bot only, right? So what we are doing, it is asking to press 1 for know your balance, or press 9 to talk to our customer executive, something like that we say. So we are giving some rules to the bot. That is comes under rule-based chatbot. We are giving some rules. Based on the rules, the bot is going to act. If you press 9, it allow to talk as the customer care, executive people and something. So rule-based chatbot. This is what we want to understand. And this is based on the decision-free bots. So it will take decision. We are giving the prompt and it will take the decision. And booking appointment also. For example, this is very, very, very important, booking appointments. Normally, if we in some hospital, if we book some appointments, if the receptionist maybe a return on the paper, it may goes to wrong. But the bot, it will take the accurate date, accurate timing, everything it will take, and it will exactly 100%. It won't be having any mistake. 100% it should be correct. So nowadays, many hospitals and even Madam told like what is the flight booking, everything is now it's based on the bot. One example I have given in the next slide also, that is now IRCTC have a bot, right? So I will come up with the next slide. So now the second thing, we know that AI-powered chatbot. This is what ChatGPT, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. This is, they are giving some prompt and it will think what to do, what is answer exactly, right? So some AI-powered, some a machine learning algorithm or NLP, act in a background, and then it will giving the answer. So this is an AI powered chatbot. And third, AI powered chatbot plus the rule based chatbot that we can say some customer services for example, like some banking services. For financial, it may uses AI to analyze our background things like debit or credit, etc. And something they use the rule based things. There are maybe they use the rule based as well as AI powered chatbot. So this is what some examples. And quite interesting. One thing is quite interesting, that is humorized chatbot. So it is when I was analyzing the chatbot history. So this is what whenever we feel bored or we feel bad, this chatbot is saying some jokes to make us happy. And when again, if you are not feeling bad, I mean, if you're not feeling good, again it says some jokes. So it analyzes our mood and it will give some jokes to make us happy. So this is also a chatbot we have, humorized chat. And one more is a networking management chatbot called Dorothy Networking Management. So this will analyze the networking things. So normally people will previous things like chat previous things like people manually they will operate the network something, but this bot will automatically this will operate the networking and deals with some protocols, etc. It's managing some protocols. Some the best AI chatbots are we obviously we know, if I ask this question, obviously first thing we will tell ChatGPT, right? I don't want to give more explanation about ChatGPT because we all are coming across with ChatGPT. And then we know about Meta AI. Normally this Meta AI nowadays we cannot directly use this Meta AI, but we can use this Meta AI through our WhatsApp or Facebook, etc. Right. ChatGPT, we can use it in our browser or somewhere, but Meta AI, we can use it in our WhatsApp. I think this also, we may see in last 1 year back, we may see this is deployed in WhatsApp and Facebook, etc. So this is also one of the powerful chat bots nowadays, like I'm talking about 2024. One more thing, we know Google Gemini. These two are the competitors, ChatGPT and the Google Gemini. And Microsoft also comes in a chatbot like Microsoft Copilot. And then we know about DALI. This is for image. This comes under ChatGPT. Nowadays, we are seeing in a AI generated image, right? So everything we can give a prompt. So my students also come up with this project, DALI. But DALI is available. DALI 3 is available, but that is, if you want to go for DALI 3, actually we need to pay. But what we thought is like in a simple prompt we can give and it will generate some images. It is exactly it was working, and we did some small project in DALI. Not exactly DALI. That we taken the concept and we did some. We will give some prompt like tiger is fighting with cockroach. So this won't be happen, but we will give a prompt. So what the AI model will analyze, it will give the exact image, the tiger. It will take tiger and the cockroach, and it will give the image also. So we know these are the some popular AI chatbots which is available right now in the market. Like something these are not what to say, not freely available. Probably Google will give freely available, but ChatGPT, if you want to go for higher version, we have to pay that everything we know. Okay, so these are some introduction about chat. So now I would like to come up with this webinar. So how these chatbots are creating a mass impact in this world. Right. First thing what comes in my mind is it is in healthcare. The chatbots, it is playing very crucial role in healthcare. Everyone, everywhere, in healthcare industry, they are deploying chatbot and they are using chatbot in a very good manner. For example, one thing like in Kashmir, I think one hospital they implemented a chatbot for finding the heart disease like heart attack and etc. What they are suggesting is like we want to take a ECG image and we have to feed that image into the bot. And the chatbot will say if some criteria or cutoff may be there, and the chatbot will give some replay if the cutoff is crossed over some cutoff. I'm not exactly sure. So a cutoff, it will say you have a serious issue, so you go and consult with the doctor. Okay, and if the cutoff is low, it will predict the model. Cutoff is low, it will say you have this much of issues and something like that. So healthcare industry, the chatbot is very, very crucial and very, very important also. And one more thing, one more understanding here is it won't suggest any medicine. For example, if I have some ECG image, it will say like a heart attack, you may feel something like that. It won't give some medicine. It will suggest you go and meet the uh, doctor or some go and go to some clinic or etc. It will suggest. Right. And nowadays, it is a commercial business also. People are, if the doctor want to give appointment, we have to pay. So how they are giving appointment? Through the chatbot. So the first point of contact is the chatbot. So this is also one of the creating a mass impact, in this world right now. I'm talking about not only India in this world. And second thing, how it is working, the people are interacting with the bot first, and the bot is analyzing, and now, it is like an application. So it will analyze and then it will suggest, if it is a minor thing, it will suggest it will suggest anyway, it will suggest, it is suggesting to the doctor. So what I mean, coined things like things is, now 2024, probably 2034, we actually, this is my suggestion, my thought process only. In 2034, we will stick on chatbot only. I think so. Probably, because it will 100% it will accurate. It may the model will come alive, and it will 100% it may accurate. I mean, upcoming days. Okay, so the famous chatbot in New York is New York-based company, one Remission. So we know normally what it is going to do is 24/7 available, and this app have the complete list of diets. For example, some people are fighting, and this why I taken this app alone is, nowadays cancer is a very crucial disease. People are finding cancer only the third stage. So what this app will do is, this is giving the complete list of diets, exercise, and what the people want to do if the people are finds the first stage cancer, second stage cancer, or third stage cancer. So these things, this app will say. So this is one of the very famous, chatbot in New York, and it is earning more also. Some it is not free. Something, when the patient feels some, identified by the cancer, it will suggest the doctors and hospitals and etc. And a few more bots are there. The very famous in healthcare industries, Florence. It is treated like a personal nurse. Like, nurse, what the nurse will do, the nurse will take care of the patients, right? So this will take care of the patients. Like, this will remind, this time you want to take tablet, this time you want to take tablet. So this is one more, the famous chatbot in healthcare industry. And we know this is Ada Health. This is famous, and 13 million users are there. And what they are telling, 31 million assessments are completed. Like some few assessments they have taken and they are completed. So some chatbots we have in the healthcare industries. We have many things, but I noted something. And second, the chatbots, the mass, the customization in the educational industries also. I mean, educational things also, like educational chatbots. So very famous is, that Duolingo. Right. Actually, I thought of learning Hindi because I thought to learn Hindi. So I found what app is there in the uh, Play Store, and I found this app is good, and so I installed. So this will analyze everything. Suppose if I didn't open the app today, so this will indicate me. So you missed this, and it will give some assignments and some more exercises. This app is trying to engage me always, and some conversations. So this is also a kind of chat, right? Actually, now education industries, uh, people are developing chatbot for answering queries, and some teaching assistants also, right? Teaching assistants and feedback and student engagement. That is what I used to tell you. Like, I'm telling like. the app or bot is always making the students engaged. Sometime if I get bored, this app will give suggest another courses or another way. The aim is like it want to make us very interesting and post scheduling, examination process. These things are happening for this educational industries also. So chatbot we are using in educational industries also. Some famous chatbots are I told you like Duolingo bot and Quiz bot and Ada Tour. Uh, these things are some famous chatbot in educational industries. When we talk about agricultural chatbot, no, nowadays agricultural and climatic change, these are the one of the main SDG goals. So people are, yeah, governments and some uh, government funding schemes, probably in all the fundings, they are concentrating these SDGs. So agricultural platform, some many chatbots are there. So in India, like Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, they developed a chatbot only for the rural area people. I mean, only this focus is only for the rural area people. Like, they can chat anything, and we have a scheme also, right? So, Pradhan Mantri Kisan scheme. So, these schemes, to know about these schemes, this bot will help because people who know. I mean, if some people from rural area ask me, I cannot answer exactly. And this bot, if the people will ask some questions or queries to this bot, this will give the answer. What are the schemes which is available I mean, for agriculture and etc. And the highlight of this is like it uses multi-language. If we want to use in Hindi, yes, this app will understand the language. I think 22 languages this app can understand and it will act accordingly. So in agriculture also, this chatbot, agriculture area sectors also, chatbot plays a very mass customization in these sectors also. And like educational, agricultural, and one more app we called Fresh AI, Ama Fresh AI. So this is developed by the team of people from IIT Madras, and this app is I think the Odisha government taken, yeah, the Odisha government they introduced this app for their particular people that for only exclusive for farmers. So now this is also one of the famous chatbot uh, for farmers in Odisha. Similarly, many agricultural chatbots are available and people are getting benefit also. This is what I used to tell you. I hope you may understand what is this like Ask Disha 2.0. So it is nothing but if you want to book a train ticket, nowadays this is I mean, if you open IRCTC website, you can see this Ask Disha. Now this is version is 2.0. Previously, it was available version 1.0. Now it is 2.0. So what the main idea for this with the IRCTC people, why they introduced this is nowadays Tatkal ticket booking and ticket booking is also and train ticket booking is also very tedious process. So manually, if we book sometimes those actually we will miss the booking ticket also. So this app, we can interact with them through voice command, and then where we want to go, we want to give the source destination, and then this will book ticket for us. This is what I'm telling you. This will book ticket for us. But I tried, but this is not giving 100% accuracy right now. Probably upcoming days, this will give 100% accuracy. I hope so. But the thing, millions of people are using, so it is not able to give 100% accuracy. So people, I hope upcoming versions will overcome these issues. So what is this app is doing? Guided ticket booking and by voice command, right? It knows English, Hindi, and Gujarati, and many languages. And this is also OTP based booking. Um, and if we say some passenger details, this will save our passenger details also. Okay, so one more advantage is 15 minutes, it will retry failed transaction within 15 minutes. And VI bot, this is, I want to tell you, this is what in our college, VIT, they are using VI bot. So this, in VIT Chennai campus, we used this bot actually 6 months before only. we started working to use this bot for 1 year before. Probably professors, they worked 2 years before also. I had an opportunity to join this team 1 year before. Actually, what this is not for outer people, only for our students. Like we will embed this app into our website. Like we have VIT top only exclusive for VIT students and faculties. So what they will do, students have a lot of queries during examination process or some many queries because we have more than 20,000 students in the campus. So we cannot manage their entire queries. So we'll be getting more queries always. So this bot, what it will do is the students will ask this bot, and whatever the questions students is asking related to examination, related to admission, related to hostel seat allotment, faculty, related to whatever it is, it will play. So we have bot also like this is, I can say this is for educational purpose we are using this part. Similarly, one more interesting thing for animals also we have bot. So a pet chatbot. So this is exclusively for animals. I mean, talking about if you have any, I mean, the person want to interact with this a vet chat box regarding the sickness of animal. For example, my pet is going to sick. Then what I can do, I can interact with this. What I can do for my pet, what happened, everything. I can interact with this bot that is called AI vet chatbot. So what I'm understanding from here is, wherever we go, everywhere we have chatbots. Everywhere, like military security, we have chatbot, and that is what I told you. Educational, and then agricultural and climatic change. Like meteorological department. So everywhere we have a bots. And in India, we have government also introduced many bots. I just explain. I just want to say a few things like my government help desk. So this was familiar during COVID time. COVID time, people are not able to interact with their physical mode. So what they will do, if they have any doubt, they can interact with my government Corona help desk. This bot, something it is feeded inside, it will give some answer. And a unified mobile application for new age governance. So we have many apps. Government also using many apps nowadays. Actually, if you take a security sections like security areas, so we have a chatbot also, like cyber security chatbot, and as Madam told, fraud detection chatbot, and incident response chatbot. So we have plenty of things in security areas also. So what I am trying to say here is like wherever, whichever area we can go, we have a bot, and that will help. So one famous bot in security is IBM Watson for cyber security, right? So everyone, I hope you were aware about IBM Watson. This is for addressing cyber security issues. And Microsoft also come up with a bot that is Copilot. And we have plenty of bots in security areas also. Right. So we know what is this, right? Actually, I cannot say what is this, who is this, because we have a citizenship. Actually, we know this. This is a Sophia, right? This lady name is Sophia. I cannot say lady because this is a humanoid robot, and it has a citizenship also. So my question is whether this is chatbot, whether this is a chatbot. Can I say this is a chatbot? Okay, so the answer is I cannot say this is a chatbot, but this was developed by using a chatbot. This is a humanoid robot, but this was developed by using a chatbot. Okay, not only one features it introduced. It has plenty of chatbot features are introduced in this and embedded into this machine. I'll actually this humanoid robot, and finally, full-fledged, it will act as a human. So similarly, Chandrayaan-2 rover, that is also that is a robot, not a chatbot. That is a robot, but the signals are passing from the ground station. It is reaching and it is acting accordingly. So we cannot say that is a chatbot, but we can say some features added into the robos. So some chatbot features added into the robot. So it is acting accordingly. And few concerns are there because plenty of chatbots are there. Now, one thing I can say strongly, whatever the chatbot coming right now, it is not 100% accurate. 100% accurate. For example, medical industries, we are not believing the bot, right? So if the bot says if you have a fever, you can take paracetamol. We are not able to believe where we are going. We are going to the doctor and we are getting the doctor's suggestion. Then we are taking paracetamol. But if your bot saying we are not believing. So what my opinion, upcoming days, if the bot says you have a paracetamol, you have a fever, so you can take paracetamol. Then one day come, we will take a paracetamol, and we will the bot chatbot will analyze our body, and it will say you have cold, you can take this syrup or this medicine, something like that. We will believe. So now some concerns are there. One is ethical concern. Whatever, I mean, the chatbots are created, but we have some ethical problems. Ethical problem. We cannot ask, for example, ChatGPT. We cannot ask we cannot ask all questions. We can ask some type of questions only. So I cannot ask how to create a bomb. It cannot say, this is the steps to create a bomb. No, it won't say. So some ethical concerns are there. Even though the chatbots are mass customization, some ethical concerns are there. And I feel like all the bots are not coming up with a full user experience and interaction design. That is what I said IRCTC website. When we interact with the IRCTC bot, it is not able to give the 100% accuracy. So we have to work on this. Some concerns are there. And deep learning technique and NLP techniques are not embedded or deployed in all the bots. So we have to work more on this deep learning and ML and AI. I mean, in many of the bots. And user trust also, we cannot trust fully because even whatever the bot says, we are thinking that is a machine. Like the app says, we are thinking that is a machine, not a human. So we are not trusting them, right? We are not trusting them. But nowadays, the researchers are working, and we will be stick on this app only. So we can have a small example like what is that direction Google Google Map. Yes, Google Map. So whatever the input we are giving, it is nowadays you can see it is more than 90% accurate. But take 5 to 10 years, if we stick on Google Map, we will go some streets inside the streets or somewhere. So we'll be get stuck in that places. So these are some concerns the researchers have to work on in the chatbots. And what I'm concluding here is the all chatbots, everywhere, every sectors, we are using chatbots, right? Every sectors, education, as I told you, agriculture, and in business, and in the industries, and what to say, yeah, some even some governments they are using. People are using chatbots nowadays, but it is 24/7 available. We can approach at any time to the chatbot, and we will be getting some questions. So it is very good in the point of the customer side, and it handles many users at the same time. Yes, so this is one of the good benefit. Like many millions of people can use the bot at the same time, so it won't struck or it will give the answers. And these things, want to make users happy, because if I ask some questions, it is not giving some proper answer. I may not happy. I will go with other solutions. So the bot should make users happy. That is, it want to give the proper responses, and it want to engage the users. And it uses, I mean, helps in business also, connect better with the customers. Uh, Probably the first point of contact is nowadays the bottom, not the second only we are talking with. Okay, so will use this in the business also, and it works quickly. The human answer may comes in a, it will take time, but because it is pre-trained model, so it works quickly, and it prepares for better technology in the future. So what I conclude in this webinar session is like bots are there, and bots, it is chatbots are using in a mass customization. We are using everywhere chatbots. We are using chatbots in everywhere, and but it has some issues also. I mean, research is going on. So we will be stick on the parts in upcoming 10 to 20 years. So it is it gives a mass customization in every areas, okay, but it has some ethical issues, and it works in healthcare sector in a very good in healthcare sector, because nowadays it is deviating. I mean, it is connecting to the doctors. It is not suggesting, but it is connecting to the doctors, and probably a very few days it will suggest also. So and it makes the user happy and engaged. So bot is better, and chatbot is better, but we have to use chatbot in a good way, and we have to work on to develop a chatbot as a computer science engineer. We have to work on, we have to pre-train some models efficiently, and we have to work on the chatbot to use chatbot efficiently. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, shall we pass on to the question answer session, sir?
Yes, madam.
Yes, go ahead, ma'am.
Please, sir. Thank you, sir.
There are some questions in the QA box.
Yeah. Let me ask those questions, sir. Let ma'am and sir answer for that, please. Ma'am, there was a question from Mr. Purna Prakash, who would like to know the difference between rule-based system and machine learning-based chatbot system, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the rule-based system is very simple and cost-efficient. It cannot understand the natural pre-trained thing and conversations and all. It just have some rules and responses only. It's not have any algorithms, ML algorithms and all. But while using this ML algorithms, in this ML-based algorithms, chatbots, what it will do is it have some ML algorithms and the training sets and all automatically trained. If it got on questions daily on daily basis, it's get trained and it will answer for the questions. In rule based, it's very simple and it's cost effective. It's a normal one. Okay, in this ML based, what it will do is it is having ML algorithms and natural language processing and all, and by using that day-to-day life, what and all it's going to learn everything. It just get the information and it will answer for the question. This ML based is for example chat GPT. For everything it will answer for our questions, and normal chatbots are simple and cost effective chatbots are frequently asked questions only. This rule based chatbots will answer. This is the answer for this question.
Thank you, ma'am. Another question is, what are the most widely used deep learning methods in developing and improving the chatbot, ma'am?
There are so many deep learning algorithms are there. Some of them are nowadays we are using SVM as a support vector machine and natural language processing and recurrent neural network RNN and long short term memory LSTM and linear regression models, naive based algorithm. These are all some of the algorithms nowadays we are using deep learning algorithms to have this chatbots.
What are the methods to prompt the NLP, ma'am? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Madam, actually, for a deployment purpose, we can use open source also. I hope, I mean, open source framework is there. RASA, actually, we can use NLP and ML model, and then we can deploy using that open source framework also.
Yes, sir.
Sir, as we all know that nowadays chatbots are everywhere, but it produces some overlooking information. Do they produce exact results? Is there any specific way to ask questions from a chatbot to get exact result from that? This is the question from Ramya
Yeah.
Chinnasamy.
Yes, madam. Actually, nowadays, no chatbots are there everywhere, but it won't give any exact question, exact answer. That is what I given some example, like IRCTC website. If you interact with these chatbots, it won't give any exact answer. But the people are working, like the researchers are working, like if mobile phone, if you take iPhone, we'll be getting some exact answer, not 100%, maybe 90 or 95% we are getting exact answer. So what my personal opinion is like chatbot is not giving exact 100% exact result. It is not producing 100% the result. But in future, people will work and it will give 100% the result.
Thank you,
But
sir.
we can, excuse me, ma'am, but we can give some clear and specific questions to get that somewhat exact answers, not exact answers as Benil told. We'll not get exact answers always, but we have to, if we give some clear and specific questions and contest, what is that contest and what is that intention and all, if we give some clear and specific questions, we can somewhat we can get, that's all. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. There is one more question. How do you handle language and context in a chatbot to ensure effective communication with the users? Sir?
Yes, ma'am. What we have to do is, for this, we have to train it with high quality data, ma'am. High quality data set and some reliable language models. This allows the chatbots to remember past conversation. What all the past conversations are there? How it will remember the past conversation by giving some high quality data and reliable language models. By this, we can get a contest to provide relevant responses. Because of this, we'll get some responses.
I thank ma'am and sir for the fruitful session. Now I request Dr. Madan Mohan sir for the vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure in proposing the formal vote of thanks in this technical webinar on AI-powered chatbot charging and impacting mass customization. This is conducted under the aegis of Computer Engineering Division, IEI, organized by Institution of Engineers India, Coimbatore Local Center, in association with the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. Foremost of all, I extend my sincere gratitude to the President of IEI, Chairman, Computer Engineering Division, Deputy Director Technical, and Ayan Deb sir, especially Ayan Deb sir, Executive Technical, for their unwavering support in all our activities. Thank you, sirs. On behalf of IEA Coimbatore Local Center, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to today's esteemed guest, Dr. M. Satya, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Nadar Saraswati College of Engineering and Technology, Teni. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. And Dr. T. Binil, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology, Chennai. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and addressing this program. It was a very fruitful sessions by both of the panelists. Thank you, both of them. Thank you. Thank you. I sincerely thank the management and principal of Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, for continuously interacting with our IEA Coimbatore Local Center and for your dedicated support in arranging this technical activity. I thank Dr. J. Krishnamurthy, our beloved chairman, IEA Coimbatore Local Center, for his welcome address and guiding all our center's activity. I thank Dr. R. Meghala Madam, Professor and Head, Department of AIDS, and Engineer P.A. Edwin Fernando, Institutional Coordinator, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, for their efforts in organizing this program. I thank all the participants of this webinar, IEA Council members, committee members, IEA corporate members, industry members, faculty and students, especially from Akshaya and other institutions as well, for their active participations. I wish the participants a fruitful and knowledge sharing day today. On behalf of Institution of Engineers India, Coimbatore Local Center, I once again thank you all. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everybody. Sir, with
Thank
your
you, sir.
sir, with
Thank you
your
all. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Dev, sir,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you very much.
okay, sir. Sir, with your
Thank you, sir.
permission, I will end this webinar here.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can go ahead, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for your support, sir.
Thank you, sir. It was a fantastic session. I did enjoy it too. Thank you,
Good,
sir.
sir.
Looking forward for future most webinars from your end, sir.
We will do it, sir. We will take up, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Have
Thank
a
you.
good day. Have a good day.
Madam, thanks a lot for the coordination. Thank you.